Napakasarap talagang mag-relax, unwind, at langhapin ang sariwang hangin dito sa Alitaptap Trail Site.
To ensure you have a memorable and safe vacation adventure, let's make sure to adhere to the following ultimate camping guide. Number 1. Choose a suitable location.
Piliin ang area kung saan kayo magsa-setup na inyong mga tent at campfire. Kung may mga itinakdang fire rings or fire pit, gamitin ang mga ito. Ito ay ginagawa upang mapanatili ang apoy sa loob ng pit at mabawasan ang panganib na kumalat ito.
And if it's not available, make sure na pumili ng area 15 feet away sa inyong tent at sa mga mababang sanga ng kahoy o halaman na maaring masunog.
Pangalawa, use safe fuels. If you're allowed to have a fire, use safe and approved fuels such as charcoal or firewood. Never use gasoline or other accelerants to start or enhance a fire.
Pangatlo, have a water source nearby. Always have a bucket of water, a hose, or a fire extinguisher nearby in case of emergencies. You should be able to extinguish the fire quickly if needed.
Pang-apat, supervise the fire. Never leave a fire unattended. Magtakda ng kasama upang magbantay sa apoy sa lahat ng oras to ensure it doesn't spread or pose a danger.
Panglima, dispose of ashes safely. Allow ashes to cool completely before disposing them.
By following these fire safety tips, you can enjoy a safe and responsible camping experience while minimizing the risk of accidents or wildfires. Always prioritize safety and be a responsible camper.
This is F1 and our cruiser Al Sadmon. And this is F1 Wesley D. Uyaw. Leave only footprints, take only memories. And ensure your campfire leaves no traces of danger. Para sa Bombero Latino, Este Vale!